Today in the newspaper analysis 17 June 2021, we'll see first article. Soon drones might ferry vaccines. In this article, the Indian Council Medical Research has invited expression of interest from the drone operators to develop a delivery model of drones for vaccination the remote areas. The drones could soon be used for the delivering COVID-19 vaccines remote and hard to reach geographical in the country. We can see in this picture nowadays the vaccination is reaching for everyone is difficult, but in remote areas and all it's hard to give the vaccination for there. That's what ICMR is invited to express interest for the drones operator modeling for delivery of vaccination only. ICMR epidemiology and communicable disease. The aim of this one is the aim was develop a model through a pilot project that could be emulated and adopted by the state government. The ICMR had conducted the feasibility study in this collaboration with the IIT Kanpur. Here is significance is what is the significance of this one means the smart vaccination instead of mass vaccination to stem the epidemic. You can see here a technically specification of what and all is there in this for drone for sending the vaccination to the remote areas means the tender document lies down to the technical specification required, which included the ability to drones to play beyond usual line of the site, carry a payload of up to 4 kg and cover distance up to 35 km. In 1 to 2 kilometers you can see the drones, but here is 35 kilometers they can access the drone to use, they can send the vaccination through the remote areas. In this year, government will rule now permit only these drone operations that are within the usual range. The ICMR project come at the time of Minister of Civil Aviation has allowed 20 entities to conduct trial for the long range of array behind the usual line of the drone flights. This is article is telling, and one more thing we have to see in this year, the vaccination they are to sending for remote areas for like 35 kilometer and all means they are carried the ice boxes for containing dry ice in order to maintain the required temperature levels. These boxes contains a data loggers which have 4G network connectivity to relay live recorded for the temperature through the mobile app of the operator on this ground. This is the article we can study here, like ICMR is now recently invite for expression of interest to send the vaccination to the remote areas by using drones. Next article is, here one article is there, energy efficiency can short circuit cooling India. In this article, we'll study detail about what is the energy efficient they are telling in this article. As India homes will be key site where future cooling demand will play out, awareness of the energy efficiency is crucial. We can see here more frequently and instant heat waves are expected with a rise of global temperature due to the climate change. Due to the climate change, we can see here global temperature is happening. In this last 3 decades, there have been a 660 heat waves across the India, causing a 12,270 deaths in India. In current low penetration levels of air conditioners, ACs will be likely required substantial cooling service keep citizen healthy and productivity. In nowadays the ACs coolings and all it's not available. They are in less. The India Cooling Action Plan is telling project that number of room air conditioner to be come about for time in the next 10 years. They are telling the ACs to become 4 times in next 10 years and about 10 times in the next 20 years. We can clearly understand here because of global temperature and climate changes, the heat producing is more the heat waves producing more. That's what in India 12,270 deaths are happening. There will be shortage of ACs. Because of this one, the India Cooling Action Plan is telling room air conditioner to become about 4 times in next 10 years and 10 times in the next 20 years, making India world's largest energy user for cooling. You have to make next 10 years and after the like 4 years and 10 years they can make the India is world's largest energy user for cooling. Like cooling will be like to that the forefront of the Indian adoption of the climate change. but its cooling needs are met with an insufficient ACs. Could be in the ban of Indian mitigation effort. India home will be the important set where the conundrums between cooling needs and potential emission will play out. You can see here Delhi survey what is result is telling means recently published paper in the environment research letters many challenges. Many colleagues I look at the households, cooling patterns, uppack of households, characters that leading to increased use of air conditioner and adoption of energy efficient choice. The findings are based on the door-to-door household survey area in Delhi, the above average of AC's penetrations, they are telling. And here we can see that Delhi in the 43% of households own AC and 39% own cooler and 18% only have fans. This is a Delhi survey. They are telling data. The way households use AC also differ quite bit. While most households are use an AC for 3 or 4 hours a day during the peak summer months. 15% of use of ACs over a night hours a day. These they conducted for the survey up in Delhi, and the AC is between 24 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius, and 27% prefer AC temperature to be between 21 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. And same the air conditioner they needed for the cooling of temperature, but here same they needed another solution is the cooling demand traditional in India offer the potential advantage because in a majority of investment in cooling technologies infrastructure and the behavior of it to be made, there is a unique opportunity to lock in energy efficient consumption patterns. However, campaigning on the benefits of energy efficiency along with the subsidies and financial incentives that help with the high upfront cost to help drive the adoption of more efficient technology. They are telling like what is the other solution for this producing energy, cooling of temperature and reducing global temperature for the due to the climate change. In here they encouraging the use of passive cooling alternative including energy efficient buildings design can help provide the desired thermal comfort with the reduced dependency on energy efficient cooling technologies. In this article, you have to see like global temperature how is rising and what are the problems happening in the country. Next article is higher education and COVID-19. In this article, they are talking about higher education and COVID-19. Nowadays, we can see present situation when we are facing from COVID-19 crisis. That time onwards, schools, colleges, everything they are stopped, but education is going on the online and all. In this platform, they are talking that in COVID-19 crisis, they using the many campuses, colleges and all for the COVID patient and all. Here, what is the telling means the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic brought the entire country to its next to people, entire country to its kins to people struggle to the access basic healthcare facility, but there is still the lack of serious consideration for the safety and campuses, which may be among the most vulnerable sites of a spread infection to a community level. In this article, you can see the if colleges and schools and all there is means the campuses that house hostels, libraries, common washrooms, canteens, auditoriums, gymnasiums, playgrounds, administrative offices, stop rooms, guest houses, and the stop quarters. Besides the classrooms and laboratories, require resources to change and modify their current setting of COVID-19 appropriate behavior. Like in the pandemic situation, we already know about like lockdown time and all. The many they are risk taken and they used these like education institutions and all that behavior what is there in the COVID they have to change. Here is the one UGC report is suggesting for their higher education institute set up a campus facility for the isolation of symptomatic persons and for the quarantining for those who were in the contact with the infection persons and need for the quick action for exploiting the budgetaries allocation for the higher education institute for the COVID-19 managed were found to missing in the state annual budget. Here is incubate upon the UCG to direct the state government to generously provide the financial assistance to the higher education institute for the managing the COVID crisis. You can see in this article like what is the higher education happen in this COVID crisis. Next article is note for the additional fertilizer subsidy. Here is central government is announcing for the subsidy for the fertilizers. We'll see detail about why the fertilizers are needed subsidy, then why government is giving for subsidy, what is the fertilizers and why they are important. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the proposed to hike subsidy rates for the phosphorus and potassium based fertilizers by 140% in a bid to provide relief farmers as the Kharif sowing season begins. Now is Kharif season is begins now. Now fertilizers are important for farmers. They are providing subsidy on the fertilizers. The subsidy would be the increase in the 1,200 per bag, ensuring that the farmers would not face any price rise. The decision was approved by the cabinet in this Kharif season. What do you mean by like fertilizers? Fertilizers is defined as any organic or inorganic substance, natural or artificial, supplying one or more of the chemical elements, nutrients required for the plant growth. If you are have a like 1 acre land, you growing some rice, like again you are growing same thing there means there will be fertility of soil will be reduced. We have to be use fertilizers to increase the fertility of soil. Next grow will be we can get more crops. Then why we needed fertilizers means fertilizers defined as an organic or inorganic substances, natural or artificial, supplying one or more for the chemical elements. They are the one or more chemical elements or nutrients required for the plant growth. Already I told the nutrients for the growing of plants. Importance of fertilizers. It is very difficult to meet the demands the increasing population with such fewer resources. Loss of soil fertility. Here if we loss of soil fertility means they use the fertilizers, pests and lack of nutrients has resulted in the decrease in agricultural production. This has increased the importance of fertilizer in agriculture. Subsidy, what do you mean by subsidy means? Subsidy is a concept originated during the Green Revolution in 1972-80s. When Green Revolution happened in India, that time only the subsidy concept came because of they need to grow that time more crops. That time government is provide for subsidy to the farmers means it will help for them to the price rise, they will not face the price rising. Fertilizer subsidy is a purchasing by the farmers at the price below MRP, maximum retail price, that is below the usual demand and supply rates are regular production and import cost. This is about fertilizer subsidy. Next article is China to send first crew to the space station. Three members of the first crews be sent to China space station says the eager to get work making their home for the next 3 months habitable, setting up testing and experiment and preparing for the series of space work. Here we can see that the three Met reporters jump free glanced in room hours and before they were to blast up. First of all, we need to arrange our home in the core models, then get the started to whole range diagnostics test to the crucial technology next experiment. The Louis Booming 54, who was one of the previous pet in the 2018, included China's first spacewalk, and the multiple such acted during the mission has two astronauts prepared for the Tine are heavenly harmony core models to receive two other models to be sent up next year. It is China's first crewed mission in the nearly 5 years. Next article is Automations to Cool the 3 million IT Jobs by 2022 report. We'll see what is the 2022 report telling on automations. We can see nowadays is unemployment more in the nations, but still we are using like automations like machines, robots and all for the human power instead of human power using these machines and all. With automations taking place much faster pace across the industry's domestic software firms that employ over 16 millions are said to be slashed headcount by 3 million by 2020, which they will help them to save 100 million $100 million, mostly in the salary annually, Bank of America said in this report. About 9 millions in this, them are employed in the low-skilled service and BPO role as per the Industry Association NASCOM. The automobiles are they are taking faster pace to aggress industry's domestic software for that employ over 16 million. They said to slash headcount by 3 millions in 2022. Can tell you here. The 9 millions them are low skilled in this automations. The 9 millions where they are low skilled in the BPO role and all. The report of NASCOM, and we can see here 9 million roles are 30% or about 3 millions will be lost their job in 2022 because of we are using like automations like machines, robots and all. Because of this we can see present situation in COVID-19 situation also, but supplying medicines and all for the patients we used like robots and all. This is the present example only you can see. Impact of the robot process automation, roughly 7 million roles are expected to be replaced the robot automation, robot process automation, and the rest due to the other technological upgrades and upskilling according to this report. The TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra and the Cognizant and other appears to be planning for the 3 million reduce in the low skilled roles by 2022 because the robot process automation. This $100 billion in the reducing salary and other caste. In this article, what automations it's important, then why the people are losing their jobs because of the automations and all you have to remember. What impacts will happen in economy you have to see. Next article is India have 330 million 5G connection by 2026. Already now we are using the 4G internet, but in future 2026 we are going to see the 5G network. We'll study detail about India have the 330 million 5G connection by 2026. 5G will be represent about 26% of mobile subscriptions in India at the end of 2026 with an estimate base of 330 million according to the Ericsson Mobility Report. Which report here is Ericsson Mobility Report. They are giving the 330 million 5G connection by 2026. 5G will represent about 26% of mobile subscription in 2026. Here we will see 4G subscriptions are expected to rise up from 680 millions in 2022 and 830 millions in 2022, increasing at a CAGR of 30%. The number of smartphone subscriptions that stood at 810 millions in 2020 was expected to touch more than 1.3 billion by 2026. In COVID-19 has accelerated India digital transformation as consumer increase rarely and digital services, be it digital payments, remote health consultations, online retails or video conference for fulfilling their business or personal needs. The Nitin Bansal, head of Ericsson India and head of network solution for the Southeast Asia Ocean and Indian Ericsson. In this 5G network is important for the because of in this COVID-19 crisis, many of the people are depends on the internet only for work from home, online classes. Nowadays, we can't go for the outside to lead our normal life because of this one. Then India is expecting for the 5G network in 2026. Next is the average traffic per smartphone users in India has rise from the 13 GB a month in 2019 to 14.164 GB in the 2020. This may be grow to the about 40 GB in 2026. This data will grow in the 40 GB in 2026. The total mobile data traffic in India has grown from 6.9 exabyte to the 9.5 exabyte in the 2020. This is about 5G network and Ericsson mobility report is important in this, and when we are going to get 5G network also is important. This is today newspaper. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Start from basic, learn until death.